Here we are at the job site, and we got Patrick and Steve on the track. Well, actually, Patrick's on the tractor. Steve's watching. Patrick unload the tractor. Very cautiously. We have the 4x4s to keep the backhoe up far enough. Hey, you're getting off the side. Pull back on. You gotta come off straight. Good? Yeah, I think so. Should be good. Oh yeah, we're clearing by about 2.5, 3 inches. Piece of cake. We're back here to finish a downspout project we started last week, and we're digging out stumps. That project went real well, so now we're going to dig out the rest of the downspouts. We've got a 2025R here, and we've got a 2520 with a backhoe. Mazzotti 200. You might remember our video last week. Here's an area we were digging a couple of stumps out, and we trenched out that line for the downspout. Here we're going to lay out what we're doing. You can probably see the downspout on the corner of the house. We have to trench that out.
Need it.
Okay guys, so here's a project. We're going to take that downspout. We're going to trench this out across the grass here over to the woods. We also have a downspout up here that has to be trenched. So we're going to run this downspout down and Y into the other one and across to the woods. So that's our project for today. And we'll see how it goes.